In this sentence is will be divided into three parts: noun phrase, prepositional phrase. However, Nazdin, one thing I always forget to tell you, that prepositional phrase don't write this way. You just even don't write main verb main, no, not don't write full spelling. If you want to elaborate it after analysis, you just write in the at last you can write pre, prepositional, mv, main verb. This way you can elaborate, you can give the keywords, meaning of keywords, but don't write here. I have written because so that I can remind you, right? So that now this sentence is divided into three parts: noun phrase, pp, prepositional phrase, and verbal phrase. So you just do it. I actually so that's a Sunday, na? So many are coming going. That's why. But yes, I have made for you. You just arrange it properly. Now noun phrases are divided into article. So that's drop it, and then adjectival phrase, adjective ap है ना, in at last you can write adjective phrase. So that is adjective is large. And n current, here one thing I have to tell you, current buns are the French buns, I think, in which raisin is put in that bun. So that's a kind of dish, sweet dish, right? So that is why it's noun. It's not current and buns. It's current buns is one name, right? Name of the dish. So that is noun. And noun is being qualified by adjective, that is large. So that one part is noun phrase is complete. Now prepositional phrase. So don't write here prepositional phrase. I have written deliberately so that I can remind you, but you just have to write pp. If you want to tell what pp, so at last when you finish your analysis you can write pp is prepositional something something, right? Now prepositional phrase is divided into three parts: preposition in, article the, and window, and noun window. That is prepositional. Preposition, you know, preposition preposition, which shows the position of noun. So here windows position in the window, right? That's a position. That is the use of preposition, means window ke andar. That is the I'm just giving you extra information, that preposition which shows the position. So here window ke andar, this way inside the window, this is the meaning. So here in, then the, then window. Now last part of this sentence is verbal phrase. Verbal phrase, here mv you can write, but after the analysis you can write mv is main verb. So that's a taste, because that's a he tastes, right? And then adjectival phrase is uh, adjectival phrase, adjective is very, right? And adverbial phrase, sorry, very is adverbial phrase, very. And then adjective is nice, because I told you that adverb qualifies adverb itself, adjective, and verb. Again I'm repeating, adverb is a word which qualifies verb, adjective, and adverb itself. So here very is adverb which is which sorry, very is very qualifies the adjective nice, right? So this is the description of or analysis of this sentence. I think you must have got. If you have any doubt, please ask, right? I'm busy because Sunday, but yes, please ask me, right? Sooner or later I'll reply you. Thank you. All the best. Bye.